Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Dodge Challenger, the modern muscle car that's roaring into the future while holding on to its raw American roots. The design is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Challenger. With refined aerodynamics, LED lighting updates, and a stance that screams power, Dodge is clearly not slowing down. The 2025 model features new trims, upgraded tech, and yes, an electrified option is finally here. Still available in both coupe and wide-body versions, it caters to both purists and next-gen thrill seekers. From the hood scoop to the rear spoiler, everything is designed with performance in mind. Let's pop the doors and take a look inside this beast. Step inside and you'll see that Dodge hasn't cut corners. The 2025 Challenger features a redesigned cabin that blends muscle with modern. Premium leather, stitched accents, and carbon fiber touches elevate the feel. The centerpiece? A new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a reworked Uconnect infotainment system that's smoother and more responsive than ever. You'll also find improved ambient lighting, wireless charging, and enhanced climate control for both comfort and performance-minded driving. It's still aggressive, but now, it's a little more luxurious too. Under the hood, the 2025 Challenger keeps its legacy alive with multiple engine options. From the punchy 3.6L V6 to the thunderous supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 in the Hellcat variant, this machine doesn't play. New tuning improves throttle response, and the 8-speed automatic transmission has been fine-tuned for faster shifts. Horsepower ranges from 303 to a mind-blowing 807 HP, depending on your model. Whether you're cruising or drag racing, the Challenger still delivers that unmistakable muscle car growl. On the road, the 2025 Challenger feels surprisingly refined for its size. Steering feedback is tight, and the updated suspension makes it more agile through corners without sacrificing ride comfort. The wide-body models offer better grip, while new brake packages ensure confidence under pressure. And let's not forget launch control, because when you're driving a Challenger, you'll want to feel every ounce of that power, on demand. Whether it's a Sunday cruise or a track day, this car brings the muscle with manners. So, is the 2025 Dodge Challenger worth it? If you're chasing soul, style, and straight-line speed in a world of electric silence, the answer is yes. Dodge has kept the spirit alive while adding just enough evolution to make it competitive in today's market. It's not the most practical, and it's not pretending to be. It's a statement. A legacy on wheels. And for the true enthusiast, it might just be the last great American muscle car of its kind.